Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are all keeping safe and healthy. Alhamdulillah, I'm doing fantastic. Some people, they get confused when they are trying to speak in English. And some students, they are taking many of classes, but he can't speak properly. Today here, I'll give you some tips how to improve your speaking English. Number one, you have to start. It doesn't matter how people judge you. Okay, you speak. Number two, you have to read newspaper minimum 15 or 30 minutes. When you read the newspaper, you pick the word which word unknown and make 2 sentences per word, and it will be strengthened for your vocabulary and it will be benefited for your vocabulary. Number three, you should practice consistently. You never stop your practice. Okay, practice. Practice makes a man perfect. Perfection never comes in a day. It's day by day. If you want to practice with me, I am available on WhatsApp. You can text me. Stay with me.